YouTube, in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing and giving my first impressions and first thoughts and hot takes about the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max and 15 Pro. Oh, we got those upside down. Players mess up. But anyways, I want to get my first in-hand impressions, let you guys know about these two hot colors, the blue and the natural titanium. And then we got some real talk to have right here because there's a lot of Apple hate. This is Apple season and you know how it goes. So hot take on that as well. Listen, let me just get this out the way. If you are an iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max user and you want to upgrade this year, don't listen to the BS. If you got the budget and you are just into that and that's what you love, don't let anyone stop you from being you. I just want to throw that out there. Is it necessary or not? That's all subjective to the person, you, the consumer. Just keep that in mind. I know it's a lot of... We're going to talk in a second. Let's unbox the blue 15 Pro and then we'll get into that natural titanium. And that's the one I'm most excited to see. I did not pick them up while I was in the Apple Store. I didn't even touch mine, I didn't do anything. I just kept it straight business. Let me get here. Let me give my opinion and let me share that with you guys. So you guys know how this Apple unboxing experience is. Woo. Okay. Oh, you know what? It's a darker coat of blue. Like I noticed from the videos. It's kind of like a navy blue actually. And the size complement it very well. The color on this thing is really nice. Man, this is the most alluring thing about the 15 Pro is just its form factor and how light it is. It just would be so nice to carry this as a daily, but you know, there's reasons why people get into the iPhone 15 Pro Max world, and I'm gonna have a video like discussing that and helping people decide as to whether they should go 15 Pro or the big boy 15 Pro Max, but that's a further discussion. Now, as you guys can see, this blue titanium, first thoughts, first impressions, I love the weight of this device. The weight of it feels really, really good, and the design is nice. It's that Apple butter smooth goodness. Now, I'll be honest, you know, I hate setting up devices, so I'm gonna make this video about my first impressions and my hot take about the tech space right now because boy, is it running rampant in the wrong direction, I feel. I hope you guys who are excited about getting these new titanium iPhones are enjoying your iPhone day, and I hope you enjoy whichever color or device you chose to pick. The blue is nice, the blue is fire. And these titanium sides, this is the wave. This is it, because it's kind of like that matte look that like I fell in love with the Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 on those Samsung exclusive colors, which didn't have that shiny aluminum. This is the new wave in the direction in the phone arena that I think is the right way to go. So major shout out to Samsung. Whoa. Major shout out to Tim Apple and the iPhone squad over there for making this design language change. Shout out to Samsung for doing what they did too. But now let's get into the one that we all are excited about. This is the most popular color. Luckily, I was able to pick one up on release day. I also got a bunch of other goodies. You guys know the videos are coming, but let's get into it. Oh, natural titanium. Natural titanium. Oh boy. Oh, my. Hold up. Yes, and yes. For those of you who are wondering, is this the one? It's the one. This is the color. This is really nice, especially those of you who like gray colors and gray tones. I'm one of those people. My favorite color is red, but the secondary color to that is gray because gray can go with red, blue, whatever. And that's why I love gray color tones. This is the one. This is a really, really nice colorway. Nice color combo. Got the natural titanium on the sides, which is similar to the Apple Watch Ultra, but it's not the same. A little bit different. It's not really the exact same color. The Apple Watch Ultra has a lighter titanium look. The side have like more of a slightly darker tone. But man, this build right here, this colorway is it. This is the one. So if you are in the long line or the long wait for the natural titanium, I can tell you this, it's more than likely worth it. Now, hey, if you can't wait, you just gotta get another color just to get through, do what you gotta do. I know black and white were not the most popular. It was the blue. I almost dropped it. It's the blue and the natural titanium. So, hey, first thoughts. Hold up. We gotta do that weight test real quick between the Max. Hold on. I got my 14 Pro Max right here. I always keep a wallet on the back. But let's see. You know, you gotta put in multiple hands and stuff. Again, it's only a 19-gram reduction, and I shouldn't say only. That's a great reduction considering the premium build, but you definitely feel it. Having these in 2 hands and weighing them back and forth, I'm definitely feeling the weight reduction. I'm definitely appreciative because it makes it easier to lug around this big old massive large device. Anyways, more hot takes coming on the Tech Corner, but before I get out of here, I gotta talk about the natural hate that comes every year anytime Apple releases a device. The unnecessary, like, you know, pointless comments and things like that from the content creators because they just want technology that's revolutionary every single year, and that's not practical and it doesn't make sense. At this point with these devices, they've reached a plateau. Even on Samsung, the mighty Android feature pack innovative leader, they've come to a halt and a pause. So let's be very realistic when we look at these devices and understand there are people coming from iPhone 11s, 8s, maybe even 7s, I don't know, but 12s and 13s, and these people are excited. So why are you raining on their parade with your jaded tech takes? That's why I keep my enthusiasm. That's why I'm appreciating these the same way you guys are. And shout out to my supporter that was in line with me, super down to earth dude, having normal, natural conversations, and he's someone who upgrades every single year. He gives his old device to his daughter. Yo, win-win situation for the both of them. And he's just like me when he was younger. He would always open up computers and cars, and he's an auto technician and get into different things. That's the way that I am. So it's some of us that just tick this way in the tech space. And if you gotta feed your fix every single year and it's within your budget, I'm not telling you to stretch the budget, do what you gotta do and ignore the noise. And I'm gonna bring back something that I used to do back in the days that I haven't done in a while, and that's shut up. Peace out, y'all. Hey, listen, comparison videos versus videos, all kind of content coming here on the channel. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell. Let's get it.
Ooh. No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. Need no middleman, I'm the man to man, send it in. I like what I like, me, I know my rights is sipping in. I like having fun, I do what I want, it's what it is. For my son and son, for my daughters, yeah, it's for my twin. I work through the night, I do what I like, get a check, I go for the ride. I've been down the ride for the win, still move on the hush, never run for none. I face my fears, I just drop for 9 month to month, still from year to year. New watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. New watch.